Good morning, guys. Helbaby here. Welcome on today's video. Very special one, guys. It's Alman over here. We thank God for the gifts of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. So you can see outside the sky is blue in color. So the weather it's so good. And right now, guys, before I left home, I wanna curing this lid here. And then, guys, they haven't finished. You know, they're supposed. This is the formwork, and then they will put door, and then something like a box here, door, and then cemented to be smooth. And I don't want to be smooth like too much, you know, roughly, because when somebody fetching water, I don't want maybe people to fall down. So on today's work is to do curing here, and also on other side right here, you see, you know, we do thrice, yes. 3 per days, morning, noontime, and evening. All right, yes. And then after that, guys, I'm going to see my brother, so I'm calling him to help me. And then we went to the farm. I'll show you how we do some activity. And then from that, guys, I'm going to the river. No, first to the river. I'm going to Nyabuhanse, guys. Sorry for that. Looking at the guy who will go and bring the sand. So today it's another amazing day, surprising my mama with construction material. Okay, let's go. Boom. Okay, come on, Puta. Yeah, guys, we're so blessed. We get water. I was give up to start another borehole, but my engineer said they will be good. Okay, curing there. Yeah, that's water. Mwaya kabisa. Shauri yao na Mungu wao. Boom. Choto tena mara moja work. See, guys, we get water. And guys, God is good all the time, you know. We just believe in God. I was give up to forget this borehole. I started another one, but when my engineer arrived at home, they said, bring materials, your borehole will be okay. And then I promised them, when we finish this, man, we celebrate together. You know, I slaughter chicken, and then they eat. I said goodbye. At the same time, I make some payment to them. See, guys, water, mwaga huko, boom. See, guys, lots of water. No, money is everything. Yeah, that's enough. I chotuki. Tamate before mbe home hano. Tore tiribira ata hiniga home hano kadingara aringe kuyam. Irinene dira. Lakini ngara katahi katatibu. Oh, home hano katakara hike hands. Okay. Do curing. Matai mida. My condo, ma'am. Yeah, guys, we spend a lot of money here. And then, guys, we put like, man, more cement. You know, the ratio is, you see. Aye. Yeah, guys, we spend closely to $400. So the way you see this borehole, man, it's not an easy thing, you know. Fixing the carabats, man. Okay, mwaga, curing around. What a home, Amura. Okay, hayo. Yeah, guys, we're doing curing, and then fetch water. One more. Yeah, we're doing serious curing. Yeah, serious curing, guys. And I think maybe in future, if I could get money, you know, I could finish on top here. But on top it's concrete, man. Yeah. Right now, guys, I'm so happy. We get water, you know. Pole pole, pole pole, pole pole, pole pole. Yeah. Like that. Now how you. Yep. Sister, say hello.
Hello.
That's my sister. So right now, guys, they were being given half time. So just chilling with them here. Okay, guys, I wanna take you to the land first. Alright, guys, let's go this way, and I'm going to check my brother in the farm right now, guys. So let's go. Probably it's early morning over here, so you can see how the sky is shining, guys, blue in color within here. So let's go. No. Wow. So it's a bit cold here. That's the reason why you see some trees waving, you see, from other side. Wow. So they have really started plowing here. So maybe by the next month, at the end of July, they'll start planting maize, you know. So that's how we prepare the land early, you know. Yeah. Both two of my brother here. My brother, morning.
Morning too.
You good?
Yeah.
How was your job? Vipi kazi?
This bulls.
Okay, let's go.
You know these bulls?
Mm-hmm.
They are acting like those people who crucified Jesus.
Okay, wangu chitema. Tatora haliga munyonyo kitui. Let's go. Temeri gorohara. Be on the other side. Yeah, first thing is to remove you know, the soil from that. It's a jembe, I don't know, man. Okay, but for those people who do agriculture, you have already known. Okay.
Yeah,
All right, let's go.
the way they are pulling this pulling. You see how beat those cows.
Go. Yeah. Stay. Chu. Onyonyo gimuita. Nyodi gor haro bayo benyuma. Did yeah. Slow, we shall push it, man. Hey. Yeah, I'm showing you a short clip, and then we shall continue from maybe on tomorrow's vlog. Could be a lot of activity down here. Going to other side where you see some trees, you know. Wow.
Village life.
Let me adjust my trouser. Hey! Steady! Don't go behind the sun. See, guys, that's both of my brother. My second brother, my third brother. Yeah. Hey! Misho! Taburunga. Karamu kim kabina igote mekon. Igo igota kare moyo. Okay. Yeah, I'm telling him, you just do like that. Come down. Down. Okay, chini means down, man. Right. Guys, as you watch these videos, let me know in the comment section what do you think about. But on today's videos are very, very special, you know. Every day it's a learning lesson. Let's go. Here you must have gumboots.
Yeah.
But for us to come,
a farmer, you must prepare yourself very well.
You know, let's keep pushing, man. Wow. We have avocado trees here and the other side. There is a day we tried to peel some avocados on that trees right there, and then man, it tastes so sweet. Right? Yeah. So maybe tomorrow I'll touch that djembe, you know, showing you my experience. I want to share with you my experience, guys. I know how to plow, you know. Guys, sukume almost okay hano. Na mwemora mutinkyo chama chuninke chikolema. So kimotora wabicha bisiko. Let's go. Wow. Yeah. Right now, guys, I'm showing you how we plow this land or to prepare. Next time when you see the maize here, if you're watching these videos, you know how we done, or we do some progress, you know, to plow, and then we plant the maize. After that, we do weeding, and then from that, we top up the fertilizer. From that, the maize germinates, and then we harvest. We have food on the table, you know. But I'm so grateful to my brother because he rent this land, and then we have another land on the other side where I put material on the opposite side. So next time, I think this time, he's supposed to plant maize on the other side right there. When I go home, I'll show you. Let's go. Oh, maybe my brother, when the cow is so tired, you can take back to their home, you know. Like, don't push them. When it's tired, when the cow is tired, you just take back home. Morache more me also kicho, take back home. Yeah, they are crazy bull. Ma muche mute sa ma mo ke sa tsena nusu. Kesho muje mwa saa 9 mfungie hivyo mbohere saa 9 nusu. Hapa mtalima siku 3. Ngano ngatatomora ari musoke. Yeah. Guys, this is crazy. See 2 bulls, but this is the bigger one. Okay, go. Down. You know, those bulls are crazy. Maybe my brother will take them to home when it's disturbing you. Take them to home. Take that cow to home, man. You see my brother is falling down. Look, that's crazy. That's my brother and take it home when it's disturbing you, you know. Yeah, guys, when the car it's totally disturbed, you take back home. So guys, pole. So guys, let me show you. You know, my brother rent this land, and then here we plant twice per year, and then you pay some season, you know, like twice per year you pay once. If you maybe want to pay double, you can pay twice, you know. So here also this is the project. At the same time, he has a project on this side here where I'm taking you right now, you know. Yeah. And I remember, guys, today it's a day that I'm going to surprise my African mom with construction material. You know, watch these videos till the end. Leave us a comment. Let me know at the end of the videos what do you think about on today's videos. And the good thing about me, when I'm going to harvest the sand or to bring sand back home, I shoot the videos, you know, looking for the vehicle, truck or lorry, whichever the case, going to the river, you know, showing you how people like scoop sand, throw to the lorry and then bring back home. So the video is coming, guys. But for the real sense, let me show my brother's project, you know. So right now we're waiting the owner who planted this maize to harvest, and then maybe a day you'll see my brother plowing here again. The same he do on the other side, you know. Yeah, the maize are doing good, man, on this side here. That maize, you see those trees, it starts from other side, from these trees, come along, you know. Wow, that one there, and then to other side, I'll take you there. Wow. So, oh, there's no sun there. So guys, it's time to build Africa, man. I'm telling you, it's time to build Africa. And guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. You see, right now we have some stones, we have sands here, and I'm telling you guys, more sand are coming. More sand are coming. Right now, I need to put more effort on buying sand, you know. So maybe at the end of July, by God's grace, I'll see whether I can manage to bring one trip for the blocks, you know. Let's go. Yeah, and then that land is coming up this side, you know. Wow. For sure, these are serious business, you know. So, and then that land, it reach where you see the maize reach on the other side. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to look for the lorry right now as we speak here, guys. Oh guys, so I'm just over here, and this is another beautiful running water. So it starts from other side going this way, guys. So this river, it's going to meet with River Migori and then go to Lake Victoria, guys. You know, right now the water is purely clean, guys. Purely clean, you know. Wow. So I just be around here, guys, to see whether some people have removing the sand. And actually, guys, I need the sand from the river, you know. So at the same time, guys, it has some beautiful stones. You can see, guys, from this side you have another one, that one right there, the bigger one. So I'm heading this way, guys, you know, when you're going to the river, you must be very careful. Other stones are slippery, guys, you know. Hey, what is like, man? Hey, it's cold, man, you know. Yeah, and at the same time, you know, this water people are using for washing clothes, you know, bathing. If man here could be around at home, maybe nearly within here to opposite side, my work is to put the machine pumping water, you know, going to the tank. I do some purification, and then man, life continue. But right now here, things is cheaper in terms of sand, you know, and everything. Wow, can't imagine guys, this sand here. So probably right now it's time to bring materials back home, you know, especially sand, guys. When it reach around at the end of July, guys, to find sand in the river, it's very delicate. So, and then I bought one Roby or one tipper around $8. That's 8,000 Kenyan shillings. So probably this is the best time to buy sand from the river, you know. Wow. So you can see this side here. This is a bridge, you know. They have been constructed this one here. And have some 3 outlets, you know. This is an outlet. The waters flow from other side going that way. You see? We have another one right there, outlet number 1, number 2 right here, and then number 3. So guys, I think right now is the best time to go back. But no one is the river right now. Maybe people say the sand and then they're enjoying money, you know. So let's go, guys, let's go. Here's some staircase we have here, local staircase. You see, village life. This is a gabion. It's going up to that way. Oh my God, real stuff. They are harvesting sand. You can see from here, you know. And actually, I need river sand right now, not alongside the road. No. I need river sand. Guys, you can't imagine. I'm coming from other side, on opposite side right there, and then coming around up to here, and then going that way. This is my baby here. Just help me alone. Like, not help me alone, it just helped me a lot, you know, to maneuver around. Wow. So guys, I'm planning to buy another helmet, the lighter one. I don't want heavy helmet, guys. Sorry for that. Because people are asking me, hello baby, why don't you wear the helmet? Guys, the helmet that I have is heavy. I need to buy a lighter one, you know. The journey continues, guys. You know, green vegetation. So today I decided to come on this side here and shooting the videos, guys, you know. Let's move. That's how we go, guys. Town Bay, guys, and we're fully outside, you know, showing you some interior part of the village. You know, when I'm around here, I see maize everywhere. Look, let's move. So we have another shortcut going to the airport on other side right here. So we have it's not an airport, we have an airstrip here known as Migori Airstrip. You know, yeah, actually there's a road here that connects, yeah, this one here, going to the Migori Airstrip. Here we go. Beautiful road. Wow. Look at this. Yeah, for the construction of the tarmac road. Hey, on this side here, they have natural fresh air. Whoa. Moving out with my baby. Finger millet plantation on the side right there. Look, even in this side here, finger millet. Plantation here. Yeah, we wanna do quick and fast, guys. You know. I think right now kids are playing outside, some students right here. You know, this is Nyankore Comprehensive School. That's a hospital right there. Alright guys, I'm heading down, so going and check my friend's land down here. Wow. Kids are running here. So guys, I feel so good. I brought material construction to my mom, and more are coming, guys. More material are coming, you know. So that being said earlier, this is the best time to buy material for the construction. So let's go, guys. No. So after these videos, I'm going to the next area old village, so probably going to check whether I can find the sand from the river. You know, I prefer that, you know. So we have some categories of the sand. You know, we have rough, smooth, you know, but rough, it's good for making blocks, you know, or putting slab on the ground. Wow, let's go. So after these videos, I'm heading right there to another village. Let's go, guys. This is the maize corn right here. And I left my bike down here, so I need to check how things it is, and then we jump to the next village to check more sands, guys. It's time to build Africa, guys, you know. Start from 0-0, boom. Let's move, guys. Wow. Okay. Secretary is buying sand here, you know. Wow. So I think, guys, I wanna fall in terms of buying sand, you know. So technically, that's how my house, that's how my friend's land looks like, and this is my bike here. It's helped me to maneuver around, you know. So I'm thinking, guys, to cut that trees, but I realized it's create good shade here, you know. Wow. So let me show you guys. Down here we have the sand, and I think this one is rough. Wow. So I'll go to buy another trip for the sand, you know. Right now is the best time to buy sand, and then either remain block, but I have already bought, you know, some materials. Yeah, guys, through your support I will manage to do things on my own, like buying materials here and there. And I want to say thank you so much for everybody who's supporting me in a financial way. Thank you so much. Also for those people supporting me, watching my videos every day, guys, you know. And at least at the end of the month I can do something, man. So even this borehole, guys, have collapsed from the ground. I see down right there, right there. So guys, this is the best time. I think I can go and check the guy bring for me. Okay, things are okay here. So let's go, guys. Let's go and bring sand, you know. There's a borehole here. Wow. So I'm heading to Nyabuhansi right now, and then I check how everything is right now. Oh my god, this is my jacket. Right here. Guys, just a minute. So I put the key. Where's my key? I'm so crazy. Okay. Take a U-turn like that. Okay. Boom. Let's go. Super amazing, guys. Yeah. I think on my side, guys, I feel so happy, and that's the best way you can build Africa. So let's move. Wow. Let's go and check, guys. Today could be, I think I want to make some more research. So if I get money, tomorrow is to jump and bring sand. Wow. For sure. Let's move. Upige simu. Okay, so right now, guys, I'm heading to the next village, guys. To see whether I can get more sand. I don't want maybe roadside sand. No, that one's not good. Wow, super amazing, guys. Guys, I wear these jackets and then right now it's common, but it is what it is, you know. People are building on this side here. Some stones, you know. Go, guys. Nyabohanse village to the world, you know. I see the guy for the sand here. We're gonna talk more and more. Let me park my bike. Guys, let me talk with my guy. Yo, Fish. Maybe here. Uko wapi? Karafana kyo hamoi. Fresh barida.
Banga tiga por utulu.
Yeah.
Tiga por utulu banga tiga.
Otamba mo mera tomo sense. Bona su kweli funane. Nitihika.
Kibuya sana. Tuma sasa ngwa somos saps, mo to to hetere na kura wi mukiri kota. Ora nyamba to hala.
Então que so cheka ma go tumkina mbambiri go.
Namba mbi.
Por mano musimuti po kongo gore.
Ngati ampu oro ke to manda nyentre yango mukiri usira.
Okay guys, you want to show me the category of sons, guys, you know. So we keep moving, man. Inside you have machete. You see this one here? This one is sword normal. Go. Toma. Mas você não muito sana.
Amagono. Nasa kono ngora kokata membakini no mo safi sana.
Naona masara yake na masara.
Wachana masara yake. Yaani wanasema muya ko. Ayo to hele omuntu itiribi mwaga tunesi atwengira torete itiribi.
Oge saka.
Wacha ko kwanza ko budi. Ana mama ko gesa ku wene.
Kono ko saka.
Muya buku.
Kana kimtoke usori sibani mbare.
Esi ko ata ko sibani ota ko te ko. Atora hijo.
Ora mama mkamondete msasa unataka kono nare. Narure Mombasa nkare era salama tagito.
Sema masa ora ku broku mbuya gore.
Broku ntako tami broku.
Kali no kwa kati ni broku agambe.
Broku chino chakukwa.
Masa gore. Tego mungu na katu kitiribu irenga imu. Na tengire kinde ibere.
Pono. Equipo na mwana katu.
No takamba na ini equipo kura sa toma hembi gani. Ora, tomo.
Are ndefra.
Eki.
Mboya. Na ene bra bafunde pe nani bige si mata patara ke su. Kuno na ntama na kama ni nani.
Ora mbomere.
Akani karimu.
Waimu. Ono narache.
Ke gambe kuma na ramorete. Poni go. Ni paki piki.
Yambe ngutebiri.
Hai. Wangu kongo mosense go para.
Ogo gesa ko itumo safi.
Ai tu gano.
Ai ga.
Wante. Ko?
Goro tu kutiga kuya.
Mosense ni goro ko.
Ko hego igoro.
Oh, ko hego igoro. Na niri hibo gesa kamo.
Te kuya hitari hibo. Ko hego ayo be.
Kundrumo se mora. Ya sesi hum.
Ano asero usungura. Mosungura. Saka kuya gasa.
Kana yung kundrum.
Abdina.
Tiambe maiga. Pagi bigi aner.
Akiambu.
Tutazeeka mapema. Okay guys. I wanna park my bike. And then boom, we go. You know. Some more material are coming, guys. I wanna build Africa. So this one I'm going to park within here. Alright guys, let's go. You know, I'm doing videos. Everybody can see the videos, guys. Like no fetching things. Kabisimia kebye kambe. Camera. Okay guys, let's go. Oh, Jamaica now. Cara, ibuke. Cara kani runga kaya yuri. Cara kimuke cara nana. You see the guy. Joy. People are building, man. Look at this side here. Let's build Africa, man. Whoa.
No ngasikiwa kore.
Ureba no go kwa manje.
Anga saka tuku.
Hey. Umekora pona tamgane ndagwira. Ai tipura kabira umoletere. Kombe gata.
Masora mekera torengi na uwe. Era toretera bien.
Pana mbuni na kumaya sembe yako.
Kwanza achini.
So use this direction, guys. See some stones here. Kare kona ben kundrumo tutu. Enya sisi hana. Enya sisi mugyo kimu. Nguko vote. Ihum. Debe coña se que sacamos. Que no me saquemos ayer. Kana se que saca ayuda. Yo no con rum. Sí. Okay, guys. Wow. Guys are going to the bush. Whoa.
Tama muamu ha chi chong ya kara ho mu ya ora peli hana kore na mu wo tari
Still a part of the village, guys. Look.
hano chino chi ndi ko rengi hano mu ko nyama ko te mono wo
Oh, esa cara muke kimu. I don't want to not say.
no ha ni na wini ni na nyo tara
Anti na te tirano Chego sara koba kira na. Amu yo no wota renge. Car crazy. Ma no goreng kana kon. So wow.
Wanya magoro.
Meli chama tadi. Oh my god. Guys. See finger millet plantation here. Cassava right here. Well, ni hakiri chirega tiwa ngoro masense. No vaso vachiko pare.
Mana ko tevi ga nyore ka no monto no wari ni sendi. Wari ko maki mama sense ke danyore. Wona ki mboda chi ikata ko ka hajero shoki. O temi brasta. Kagra kono ba ko somboka. Wo wika ikiri. No pon. Yeah. Ani ga tuji ge ni.
Goro como chimbu yakwimuki. Gora hata kono katembu ya gore.
Non è mero ma va. Ma che mero va sa che è tanto tratto. Anda pure canani.
Burning of the charcoal right here.
Mo yende na gande na ne ga ni dibuire. Mo ya na ga ento ha.
That's how we burn chai. Down here. Hey, that was a woman. That was a keren. Whoa. Guys, it's time to build Africa. No problem. Me, I'm telling you, the only things it is here. So it's my time, guys, to choose sand. This one, no. Let's see. That's crazy. No. I don't want maybe smooth, no. Medium there. But let's check, guys. Where? Burapungusu mubari goko. Fresh. Mutapungusu mubari. I think is the best one. No, get some. Tumezima muziki bwana. Karime mobile. Italipa copyright. Hivyo. Nogora. Yeah, I think next week at the time. I think this one is just okay, guys. No kom. Gumira kwe jumango sor. Kono. Tanta kuturmus. Ani ngutuanza sore mu.
Sawa, no rachuche ndani hano kana. Pata tu hapo. Juma. Nonata no hace libro hasta porque ocurre en nani. Mia. Naijua.
Pero cuando acha wichuri mura kweli. Acha wichuri. Kono kwe broke.
Oh my God!
Tinggal nyum lagi dah.
Oh, ni kinangnya gimana?
Nani lagi mati ayu holes.
Arang kau
40 pambiri gore. Tatu. Aufiki tipo da wake.
Yeah.
Agora vou tu que tipo.
Abane ho.
Mano, kata ko kugyura. Ano panyere ba? Meron dito. Ya sara da meru gata antagu. Ah. Bueno, apa to ko to mi liga kweli na are ko pasa.
Mkapo kuna ko hano kukuvyoro eh. No hano ko hano.
Bakija bajaba arabanke e baraba maseba no kukrangika.
Eh. Baru kau ringga nyuma. Ringga kata mau naca aku chotu busu.
Wana bakira abane review.
Alinga nyuma hatem. Ya.
Asena hanen. Tes to ko mana hanen no ta tes.
Amu minci busu. Amba ono kumutari nkyasomba.
Haraka sombe.
Umwen.
Haraka somba na mogoro. Mogoro ba na ruri kuya ta somba.
Etinya mara kusoma. Uwe, wangu hansi sana mga kana ko hansi hai. Ako no mudangu ichoke ni atu anko maho. Anko. Ito anko ho na tatahule igor. Ndo mangu chuni so musensu mwen. Atahuli igor. Atumeno ronde bakande tera nganga matta kitu. Sasa ronanga no manengu chanso.
Mogoro mutagare te wo wanza Mani sko kore keramu. Ya mokono mbe acha monero kwa mi.
Takore onongora rusir kaburi mbere tarat.
Ya mokono ya chane tana te ke fano ko no keju mi ga ni gaji mutomo se.
Arohe.
Ya tira ni ya kwanse ka kwa mi guru ha. Kana patara kore kore.
Albi no kare very mire. Oh. So guys, not the best way I came here alone because he's another son, another category for this one. No. Bora. Wono muhandu bibaya. Gota wi.
Ngora wa.
Ngo tukuti.
Ata tar mahano hana ne ralinge nyuma yimu.
Ona la wi cha ko.
Bendu leo hiki gora mo.
Ako yo la tuminta.
Otali ngani magidogo ndo tasona. Mwana.
Iko.
Atira utara chao tere.
Pero nendo tawe.
Bado ko tere ga chuguti. Toni ngutu igane na ni yo tere.
Yes, I'm doing this.
Baba kang kali. Gate mere gasi makara.
Walang kanongan na.
Ama ko mura makamang ko kang kali. Kazi nyingi.
Sawa. I'm so tired like a goat. It's time to go back. Wow. Guys, I shoot everything that everybody can see, and then like people said, oh hello baby, clickbait. No, I'm showing how it thinks it is. Wow. So me, I will walk, guys. Hey, nigga. Guys, sorry for using that word end. Okay. Yeah, this is a heavy machine, man. You know, like if you have maybe a nice car, mkiumweka, huh? Mike. Guys, it's got puncher. It's crazy. Ere boy, tu hika nao? Eh? Hii nimetoboa. Imagine. I think. This is the kind. Let's go. Dust everywhere, guys. Oh my god. Hey, you had? Did I get? No. Okay. Aha. I think it's a side, you know. Yeah, you know, when I'm going to take some materials, I'll show you, except blocks, because big blocks I got up to Nairobi, you know, but I didn't manage to go in Nairobi just to make a deal, like true. Wow. I just pull up here. I meet my cousin down here. Okay, let's go. People are building here, you know. Oh my god. I'm telling you guys, I can't walk. Oh. Wow. Whew. Things. Guhika ya bro.
Ya taba kuika kana kono bado.
I think okay. Right guys, we're heading home right now, guys. That's how my home village looks. See from this side. taking materials, guys. So that being said, more materials are coming. Keep supporting me by watching my videos. Don't skip ads, guys. I see the guy who make my bricks, and then his mother brings some problem. You see this guy here. Let's go. There's a bungalow here. No, they were being constructed using blocks. You see from further end, right there. Cower grazing here. Let's go. And my mama, she was sitting at home, no idea what's going on. I see my mama right there. Unense que de pronto negative. Okay guys, I want to shoot the videos. Okay, I see my mama right there. Hey mom. I see my mama from other side, guys. Me, I just surprised my mama like boom, you know. So those construction materials are coming, man. You see, guys, by supporting me, at least I managed to do something good, you know. I can't wait to see my mom's reaction, guys. Wow. Whew. This tire got puncture. You heard? You're like, yeah, bro. Sawa. The guy needs job. No, guys. Oh my god. Somebody calling me, and then they need job like to surround. So I supposed to buy these trees, guys. You know, at around $30. Hey! Boom!
Boom.
Yeah. Boom.
Boom.
Well done, mom.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, I just surprise you.
Yes.
Yeah. Shukuru Mungu. I'm telling my mama, let's thank God because he has a good son. Not like I don't want to say I'm a good, like I'm perfect enough. No. In terms of maybe doing things here and there, I know even my brother will do the same thing. You know, this is I'm calling home. So yesterday we buy another sand. Today, Orochi mbariba churio kwe barabara. Are mo bet. More sand are coming, guys. So yesterday we bought this, and then I think nchoko kora sasa wiko kong. Okay. Yeah. Guy. Iromandi hayo. Osema, yeah, te awanza. Otabauti hanaka gisture tigari ngi, osteka mayako. Lakini hanongora ache komante mano mama. Tigwaho me hayo. Oso tore moko gena.
Niri nene tata.
Ashanga imbare rake bro.
Iri romandi renge hayo.
As. See guys. Yeah guys, thank you everybody by keep supporting me. At least I do things like this, man, you know. And then ma amutebe aiga tumangora ikoma again. Ma. Tamai. Every Roman ko hatay. Senaka ko homoemon. Sababu mama nchimkwimera kare hai. Ikiwa kuma. Oh. Hano. Okay. Yeah, the tippers are coming right now. Okay. No guys, from the river back to my home, you see everything. Você go home hara, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Você home hai. Okay, no idea. Guys, there is sun on top. Like, you see? Oh. Okay. There's another second step that we made. Okay, guys.
Apa sawa?
Atawa acha no ina shit. Kutancho gotan or Ade. Kuja ni kukule miguu. Right now, Mama, she was very happy. 100% more happy. Okay. Can I get to Nyabamuki? No way. Yeah. Bod. Sa temben chama sent. Ma. Muito uno aita matoke. Hanoi. Amagena he.
Oh.
Matoke to ma to na matoke gar. Jugaran to alingi ha. Sawa. Nendaje.
Muita kandi karabana.
Ngwani ni bibi mpe kwimukia. Nguchande na ku. Kurohara. Ma baba upa hekoleo. Agulingi.
Uni mama na ranga no ratsa mulingi sawa.
Haya mia peke yake. Ma tahara na atura magana. Ma baba kurohara iga kipana homo icho imbaka kugora. Okay. Tigani chabur. Wow. Yeah, I feel so happy, man. Boom. Wagwan. All right, guys. So stay tuned. Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos. Our very special, guys. It's another beautiful day which God have granted us. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. So on today's videos, guys, I'm going to surprise my African mom. And in case you're new here, guys, please subscribe, comment, share, like. So right now, guys, everything it's quiet here, and right now the mason didn't arrive, so probably they will be here around by tomorrow morning. So it's our last day, so inside, and then they will come outside. So let me go there, guys. I'll show you what I'm trying to mean, guys. You know, like I don't want to fake things, you know. Constructing the carabat inside, they will finish by tomorrow, and then they will come out constructing another carabat on top, and then the lid for carving or to cover on this side here. So guys, I'm very grateful, and I want to say thank you for everybody who's supporting me since day one up to nowadays. My God bless you. So guys, by watching my videos, at least at the end of the month I do something which you can see. So right now I will manage to buy some sand for the construction, either 1 lorry or 2, probably I think 1, because right now the amount that I have is not enough, you know. So even inside here they are being constructed, and then I didn't pay them like 2 days continuously, you know. And also because I spent the money to dig another borehole right there. If you're watching my videos, you already know what I'm trying to mean. So guys, things move perfect here. You can see even the rope of pulling this soil, you can see there. Even on my yesterday we found water, so like they're pulling up, like to pull, and then people look so tired, but they need money. So at the same time, right now the school have been given half time, especially in Kenya. You know, I don't know which country did you watch these videos, but in Kenya majority of schools have been coming here for the half time. When I'm saying half time, it's a short break, and then they will resuming back to school. Sister, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's the reason why you see my sister here, and she was popular, you know, to the world. And also I know she has a lot of friends. So right now, guys, it's time to go and look the guy for the tipper to bring those material construction. Right now, speak here, man. Oh, I'm so happy, guys. You're the one who make my dream come to reality, you know. Without you, man, I could maybe sitting outside here crazy idle. And I want to take this opportunity to say thank you so much, David Jr., wherever you are. My God bless you, and thank you so much, David Jr.'s family, by supporting me, although we are family members. And in terms of supporting me on this platform, thank you so much. My God bless you. And also, guys, remember David Jr., he was my mentor. So he was the one who pushing me from 0 up to nowadays. And all things that I'm doing here, it's because I'm copying the way, or like to master how he was doing things, you know. So one day he advised me, hello baby, if you get money, please invest. And for this case, I'm trying to invest by building my mama dream house. Guys, I hope you are ready for this. This month, to be honest, guys, on my side, I supposed to buy blocks, but technically the borehole, it's something else. And this house, guys, this year as we speak, you never see this house anymore. I feel so good, man. I feel so good, you know. This house this year is the end of the story. Also, this one we cut a little bit because the house will be passing there. You know, so what keep like pushing me is I'm waiting the guy to harvest that maize, and then I cut these trees falling to other side, like boom. Boom. So I'm going with my baby right now, and I hope you're ready for this. I hope you're ready for this. That's my baby here, and it helped me a lot, man. Imagine from a handman to own my own motorbike. It's by God's grace. And guys, thank you a million times. May God give you longer life in this world. Let's keep supporting Yellow Baby Official, and also guys, support the rest, you know, not only me guys, support the rest. So check out also guys Felicitas, you know, I'm trying to mentor her step by step, and also my cousin here. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
Yes, I'm good.
Introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Nebi Price. Yeah. Okay. Please, I make a request for you. Go and check me on YouTube and subscribe to my channel, please.
Sometime I was school pushing channel, and at least I advise him, you just push it. You never know, you know. So he was in school during weekend or evening time, pushing the videos, pushing the videos, you know. That's the best way he can manage to go far. So guys, stay tuned. Right now I'm going to look the guy for the tippers or lorries, guys, which bring the sand here. You know, last time when I was leaving the village, the guy bring first trip was like totally mess. They tried to fool me, but the second trip was good. So right now guys, for this case, I'm trying to go personally, you know, to choose this sand is better, this one is not better, because I was doing in construction. I knew, you know, because this one here, they tried to fooling me. And then even today I found the owner of this sand. I asked him, why do you sold for me a bad sands? They said just by the way. I said okay, give and forget. This one I forget. Like I'm trying to buy more. You see guys, so stay tuned. Say hello.
Hi guys.
This man Power, so he tried to help me to put this stuff from the banana, and rain. Then because of rain, yes. And I think what am I going to do, guys? Yeah. So this is the sandwich I bought. This is the second trip, you know. I'm trying to manage. I go there alone. I don't know whether it's okay or they try also to fool me, but anyway. Anyway guys, you know, this is the second trip, you know. Also have the first trip here. More sand are coming, guys, you know. Also this is another sand, you know. If the mason need this one, they will take, you know. We have how many trip? 1 2 3 4, so one more remaining, 5 trip, and then boom. I think even I can add more than that, you know, more than that. Yeah, more than that. Also, when I'm going to build, he was youngest of my top handman, you know. Muita ko mama sense ko nombuya usene mesara yake. Nagora. Nako
kujenga iko sawa.
Wota wigo. Usene mesara yake na banguli.
Sana ngine nzuri sana. Kono kora about simiti, my friend.
Nagono. Even guys, I'm trying to show me whether it's just okay. Also, he was doing construction. Were you?
Hii the same tu, ni vile imekauka, nibadilisha rangi sina.
Go.
Hii ni same na hiyo.
Akina unako plaster sawa. Anda nyopa unapo.
Wako kujenga ngoma.
Yes, wako kwanza kama ntama kwa mahoro kwanza. So they said this just it's okay, and also this one. Mahako. Kora hakachi. Sina merapa.
Hii sasa kwa kujenga ni unashika kwanza simiti. Hii kishika imeshika.
So mbali wanza kwa hachana hano. Pa ikusokire ha.
Changanya hii sasa ikuwe ya. Hii kwanza hii ndio sasa Changanya kokoto sasa.
Chini.
Kwa lento.
Gani? So he told me that one is nice in terms of ringtone. Okay, no idea. Alright guys, so I'm going to end my video. Thank you everybody. We shall meet on the next video. It's so late, the sun is here. So guys, bye.